phrase about number 3. 3 we want to introduce here is called 3分钟热情。3分钟，分钟 in Chinese means minutes. So 3分钟 basically means 3 minutes. In daily life, if you want people to wait for you for a couple of minutes, you can say 给我3分钟. Give me 3 minutes. Alright? But here, this little phrase is called 3分钟热情。热 R-E last tone. 情 Q-I-N-G second tone. 热情 in Chinese means warmth, enthusiasm, passion. So 3分钟 means 3 minutes, which is quite short. And 热情 means passion. So basically talking about someone cannot have their passion on things for long, cannot be consistently dedicated on something. For example, someone picked up a new hobby, and then at the very beginning maybe very crazy about it, but after 2 weeks, if you ask them, they say, oh, I don't do that anymore. That's kind of 3分钟热情, okay? And of course, we use this phrase to make fun of ourselves as well. For example, say, I don't want to do that because I can only have 3分钟热情 on that. Alright? So that's the 3分钟热情. So 3分钟热情3分钟热情3分钟热情 3 minutes passion.